Milwaukee, it was 57 under cloudy skies. A few marine observations. At the Sheboygan Lakeshore, the air temperature was 46. The winds were north at 6 knots. At the Port Washington Lakeshore, the air temperature was 52. The winds were northeast at 5 knots.
This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazards Warning Device in support of the tornado drill for Severe Weather Awareness Week in Wisconsin. Certain potentially dangerous weather situations, especially built receivers, are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over northwest wind 15 to 25 knots, becoming 15 to 20 knots late in the evening, then easing to 10 to 15 knots with gusts to around 20 knots after midnight, backing west early in the morning. Clear. Waves 3 to 4 feet subsiding to 1 to 2 feet after midnight. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 1:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For today and tonight, chance of thunderstorms with a low potential for small hail and isolated pocket of locally heavy rainfall this afternoon, mainly west of a line from Fond du Lac to Janesville. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday, chance of thunderstorms early next week. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will likely not be needed, but any small hail and heavy rain reports are appreciated. Now here